Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try white polo t-shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try green half sleeve shirt with beach pants and white sneakers. Next you can try brown shirt with off-white pants and brown and white sneakers. Next you can try sky blue polo t-shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white shirt with light blue ripped jeans and black sneakers. Next you can try green and white striped polo t-shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black t-shirt with black faded jeans and black sneakers. Next you can try black polo t-shirt with light blue jeans and black sneakers. Next you can try off-white t-shirt with dark blue jeans and brown loafers. Next you can try white oversized t-shirt with light blue jeans and white sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 formal outfit ideas.